Hello dear friends, in this video we are familiar the characteristic equation of flip-flop, all flip-flops. Let's start. First one is SR flip-flop. Characteristic equation जैसा कि हम पहले ही निकाल चुके हैं all the flip-flops that having the contents input, present state and the next state. Input that is the SR flip-flop, so input here set or reset S or R having the 4 combination, but present state for every combination have the 2 values. It may be 0 or it may be 1. So to trouble extended in the characteristic due to present state. Okay, that is the present state 0101, and that is the case of SR. That is the one condition is 00, another one condition is 01, and next condition 10, and last one is 11. According to truth table, we write the next state, that is the Qn plus 1 or output of the flip-flop. Okay, whenever S R 00, the output always will be present state or no change. That is the present state is 0, so output is 0. Present state here 1, so output is 1. Next one case S R equal to 1. For R equal to 1, it means reset, and whenever the flip-flop is reset, output always store the 0. So here both condition having the 0. In next condition S R, S equal to 1, R equal to 0. For this condition S equal to set means output always store to 1, so output equal to 1. And in last condition S R equal to 1 1, the output is invalid or forbidden, so here we use cross or don't care. For the characteristic equation of flip-flop, we draw the K map for this characteristic equation. Okay, K map between the inputs and present state, and find out the value of output, that is the Qn plus 1. Okay, what is the equation of Qn plus 1 by the SR and Q? Let's see the K map. 3 inputs, how many cells are there? To keep power 3 means 8 cells, 0 so 7. S R inputs and Qn. S R 2 combination, 4 combination are there, 0 0 0 1, 1 0 or 1 1, using the unit distance code or gray code property, and Qn having the 2 values, that is it may be 0 or it may be 1, so here the 0 or 1. Okay, after filling this K map from the Qn plus 1, these entries where SR are having the 1, we obtain the K map here, and also don't care is used. Okay, that this is quad, this is octet, sorry, this is quad, and one pair is also present here. Okay, for this quad, what is the output? Output is S, and for this pair, what is the output? That is R bar and Qn. So Qn plus 1, that is the next state or output of our flip-flop, that is the characteristic equation. It is called characteristic equation of flip-flop. It is S plus R bar Qn, right? Move to next flip-flop, characteristic equation of G flip-flop. So right here first characteristic table, this is D data input, Qn input, and Qn plus 1, that is the next state. D data, the output is depend on this input, that is 0 or 1. It may be 0 or 1 due to the present state state may be 0 1 having the 4 combination. When data is 0 0 and the present state for 0 1, data 1 1, present state may be 0 1. The data, the output is always follow the data input 0 0 1 1. Okay, construct the K map between the D and the Qn for Qn plus 1, that is the characteristic equation. Qn plus 1 will be, if we fill in the K map, means having one pair here. Okay, the value of this pair has D only, so characteristic equation of D flip-flop is D. Okay, next move to characteristic equation of JK flip-flop. Right here first JK flip-flops is characteristic table. If students you are not remember the characteristic table, then you write first truth table in the rightmost corner and construct the characteristic table using the truth table. Okay, JK, Qn and Qn plus 1, that's the inputs, that is the present state and the next state. For the characteristic table, we construct the JK flip-flop, JK QN, K map. For the Excel, we having the characteristic table, that is Qn plus 1 after this pair and this pair. For this pair, what is the, this is not change, that is J, and that is the Qn bar. So it having the J Qn bar plus, for this pair we having the Qn, and what is the no change, that is the K bar. So K bar Qn, this is the characteristic table of JK flip-flop. The characteristic equation of JK flip-flop find out is very easy if we are very familiar or very good in K map. Okay, next one and last one is characteristic equation of D flip-flop. T flip-flop. T flip-flop having the input T, the present state Qn and next state Qn plus 1. Okay, present state may be 0 or maybe 1. Similarly, present state 0 1 0 1 0 1, and the output of T using the JK flip-flop. So 0 0, the output is present state, that is Q, and 1. Whenever the 1 1, it is toggle of the Q, and that is the 0, the output is 1, and that is 1, that is the 0. That is the toggle, because T flip-flop is constructed using the JK flip-flop. Okay, we construct the K map for T and input, and the Q and input T having the two condition, that is 0 1, Q, and also having the two input, that is maybe 0 1. So construct the 4 cell K map and find out the characteristic equation. For this one we can write T and Q and bar, and this one we write T bar and Q bar, that is the toggle T, that is the XOR gate between the T and Qn. Okay, finally we got the 4 equation for the 4 flip-flop. These are very important to remember for any objective questions for any public sector exam or GATE also, and it is also very important at the point of RTO exams. So please go through the details with characteristic equation of all the flip-flop, and right here for the 4 equations, that is a Qn plus 1 is characteristic equation of the SR flip-flop. This is the characteristic equation of JK flip-flop, T flip-flop, and finally is the T flip-flop. Thank you, and go through more and more example of flip-flops.